This 2024 Forest River Cherokee 324 TS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 40 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 11, air conditioning, slide-out, awning, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Cherokee 324 TS is 8,620 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.